Thais seem to respect nature, plants as well as animals, and indeed you can find many sacred trees all over Thailand. The most sacred of all trees in the country would be the Bo tree, Ficus religiosa, also called the Bodhi tree. It's a type of fig tree, said to be the type of tree that Buddha gained enlightenment under. We saw sacred examples like these two in Koh Phi Phi and one in Erawan National Park, one on Thailand's highest mountain, Doi Inthanon, and many other places. They are often decorated with ribbons in several colors. The giant rain tree standing here alone with broad crown or canopy resembling an umbrella. The canopy is what makes this tree special, and it's not just one of them standing here, but the giant of them is almost perfectly symmetrical. The pride of Kanchanaburi, called giant rain tree or giant monkey pod tree, grows in an agricultural agency belonging to the Royal Thai Army, about 20 minutes south of the center of Kanchanaburi. The tree is off the beaten path, but easily accessible by auto. The tree appears to be well maintained by the Thai Army. There also is a beautiful Buddhist temple nearby. The giant monkey pod rain tree is about 20 meters in height and 52 meters in diameter. Incredibly 15 meters trunk circumference, and above all, the age of the tree is estimated to be well over 100 years old. It's a huge size indeed. The canopy grows biggest when the tree can grow in an open space like here, where it has the freedom to spread out. Because a canopy on a monkey pod tree can grow so wide, it makes a great shade tree. The giant rain tree gives surprise and wonder just by its appearance. The giant tree is known to be native to Central and South America, but can be found in many regions, including Asia, the Pacific Ocean, also in some parts of Hawaii. Sometimes it's called by giant monkey ford tree or Hitachi tree, which has served as the Japanese company. In the 1970s, the Hitachi Group created an animation based on the tree in Hawaii and appeared in advertisements. However, the tree does have several different names. Besides monkey pod, it's also widely known as a rain tree. This name probably comes from the fact that grass under a monkey pod tree always remains green, even in times of drought. That's partly because the tree leaves curl up and close at night, which allows rain to more easily pass through to the ground. There are a few other reasons too. The first is the tree's large canopy, which keeps the ground below shaded and cool. Secondly, the monkey pod tree adds a lot of nitrogen to the surrounding soil from its seed pod droppings, which makes grass greener. In Latin America, the monkey pod tree is called the saman tree. This comes from the botanical name of Samanea saman. In the Philippines, it's called the mimosa, which is derived from the family name Mimosoidae. In September 2018, a raised walkway, a wooden deck with a diameter of 50 meters, was built around the giant tree so visitors do not walk on its roots. As you stroll along the walkway, you can see towards the trunk of a giant rain tree, and everyone is overwhelmed by its size and natural mysteries. You can also relax in the shade of the tree, which seems to be popular amongst the numerous visitors. We just had to come here twice during our stay in Kanchanaburi because we found the tree amazing. The second visit was more crowded with visitors.
Ich weiß gar nicht, wie ich beginnen soll. So viel Gedanken und mein Herz ist übervoll. So viel Gefühle drängen sich zur selben Zeit. Freude und Demut und Dankbarkeit. im Arm der Mutter, die dich schweigend hält. Blinzelst du vorsichtig ins Licht der Welt, in deinen ersten Morgen, und ich denk, dies ist mein Kind, welch ein Geschenk. Wenn alle Hoffnungen verdauen, mit dir beginn ich ganz von vorn und Unerreichbares erreichen, ja ich kann's. Du bist das Apfelbäumchen, das ich pflanz.
Mãพร้าวอ่อนแล้วให้มะพร้าวอ่อนหมดแล้ว
มาแล้ว
หมดแล้ว
หมดแล้ว Das war's
น้ำมะพร้าวหมดแล้ว
Voller Leid, wo Menschen nichts mehr fehlt als Menschlichkeit. Wenn alle Hoffnungen verdauen, mit dir beginn ich ganz von vorn und Unerreichbares erreichen, ja ich kann's. Du bist das Apfelbäumchen, das ich pflanz. Du bist ein Licht in Ungewiss.
The monkeypod flowers resemble powder puffs, around 24 tiny pink flowers gathered on a pinkish head. These flowers are pollinated by insects and will develop edible seeds pods about 10 to 20 centimeters in length.
Ein Ausweg aus der Ausweglosigkeit, wie ein Signal, den Weg weiter zu gehen, Herausforderung weiter zu bestehen. Wo vieles voller Zweifel, manches zum Verzweifeln ist, da macht ein Kind, dass du alle Zweifel vergisst. Es sind in einer Welt, die ziel- und ratlos treibt, die Kinder doch die einzige Hoffnung, die uns bleibt. Wenn alle Hoffnungen verdauen, mit dir beginn ich ganz von vorn und Unerreichbares erreichen, ja ich kann's. Du bist das Apfelbäumchen, das ich pflanz.
In the area, there is a market with lots of booths selling a variety of foods, clothes and souvenirs. We found a girl selling one of our favorites, coconut pancakes, or kanambabin as the Thais call them. We always enjoy tasting some delicious goodies when traveling.
Ses du gerade? Kanambabin.
ขนมบ้าบิน